What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this new video on Gala. The Gala token, Gala games, whatever you want to call it. I wanted to do a full technical update on Gala now that we have been quite bullish in the last 24 hours. Together with the market, of course. But so Gala has been quite bullish, the market has been quite bullish. So the big question is Gala actually bullish right now? Wanted to talk about that. For that, we'll talk about the fundamentals, but we'll also talk about the technicals for Gala specifically. What do I think is the most likely scenario, that kind of stuff. So before we get into that, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals, including on Gala, check out the links in either the pinned comments or the description. There you'll find more information on how to join. So now if we take a look at Gala, what you can see is that from this support around 3 cents, big psychological support, we actually managed to rally a little bit. We managed to break above 3.4 or 3.3 as a resistance. And now we're struggling with this level right here, between 3.8 and 4 cents, which is technically a very, very strong resistance level. You got the 0.5 fib of a previous fib that's pretty strong and also well respected, as you can see. You got the 200 EMA, you got a trend line there, which depending on how you draw it, either is around 4 cents or more around 3.8. So there's just a lot of technical resistance. And the big question is that, all right, yesterday we got some bullish momentum, not from Gala specifically, but from the market. Can we now actually use that bullish momentum to push above 4 cents? So that's a big question, and the answer on it is that it depends. Today is going to again be a very big day for Bitcoin. We'll have the inflation rate, we'll have the CPI data. This is going to affect the direction of Bitcoin. I'll be live during this as well. But in general, it is that if the inflation rate is lower than expected, then that's very good. If it's higher than expected, so higher than the consensus, it's bad. And that's going to make Bitcoin move, and Gala is going to move alongside with it. So right now you could also see that Bitcoin is dropping a little bit and Gala is dropping as well. In times like these, when the market is just really moving on the foundation of fundamentals, the correlation is very high. So all the cryptos kind of move with each other. So also that's why I think Gala today is probably going to drop down to this level around 3.5 cents. I do think we will hold that, but then in the end, it will just depend on that inflation rate. If the inflation rate is lower than expected, we will be able to break above 4 cents. Doesn't matter how strong it is. And then we're all of a sudden bullish and in an uptrend, because then all of a sudden all of these circumstances in the market are actually good again, I would say. So is this possible? Yes. Is it realistic? Yes. Do I expect it? Do I expect it? I don't know. It depends on the inflation rate. And the outcome of the inflation rate right now is just no one knows. We've had a lot of mixed signals in the last weeks, so we cannot know. And on the other hand, if it's higher than expected, then the whole economic climate for crypto is not great. Then we'll just drop back down to 3.4 and continue our downtrend and our bearish momentum. So it's really going to, today is an important day. Yesterday was as well. Yesterday was obviously also an historic day. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. I'll monitor it closely. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.